Fresh Prince of Brooklyn.
Zaka. Fellowship without a Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Fellowship without a Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. I'm doing for money, do for cash. Doing this thing, you know I'm the best. I'm tryna get money, yeah, in the back. Making some money is what I want to do. I'm walking on the street now, you know. Hustle hard, let's go. Way up to the top, yeah. I ain't gonna stop, yeah. When I get money, they'll feel me, yeah. All of these niggas, they gonna pay, yeah. Pray every day, cause of the feeling my spirit, yeah. I came with the heat, then every day. Glad I share with the Zaka, cause I'm all about the Zaka. I'm doing this with my mama, and a lot of niggas hate me. Why you niggas tryna say this? That's what I get the most, yeah. I ain't gonna cook, I'm tryna live that life that's dope, yeah. Get some doubts, say, get some doubts. Let's go. Zaka. Fellowship without a Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Fellowship without a Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. I put the work in like every day. Feel like a spine, I got holy dirt. Lot of niggas know they gotta search. I never worry my mama dog. Now I'm ballin' like a tall dog. Tryna get checked like every day. I made the killing control day. I made the share for my mom and dad. With niggas we rock hoodie every day. Got spine, I'm under to Sunday. That's why your shawty she want me. Got some niggas tryna fight me. Now I'm in full of pill sentence. That's why I be with the gang. No worry mama cause I got a plan. Cause don't talk about the Henneken. Life is gonna be so relevant. After I get told I deserve. Fellowship with the Zaka. Zaka, we Zaka. Zaka, we Zaka. Zaka. Fellowship with the Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Fellowship with the Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka. Zaka. Fellowship with the Zaka. Cause I'm all about the Zaka.